Carol from Carol's Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi if this is your first time stopping by. Thank you. I've got my candle lit for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts and positivity, and it is on its last legs. So I'll just put that to the side. Right, this parcel I got sent to me by a company called newcraftday.com. So I'll show you what they sent me. I've just split it open there. So let's have a look. I'll have a look at this one first. So there's 2 items. They contacted me and asked me to choose 2 things under, I think it was $20 or something. Now I've not looked into their diamond paintings and everything, so I cannot tell you if they're licensed or not. If they've got, so please check that on your own. I always check sites that what I buy, that you know. So this is what I chose. Oh, can you see it? Hang on, if you don't know. You can't see very well, can you? There we go. I chose this, which is a cross, which I'm going to do for my mum. So I'll tell you how much it was. It was $5.99. It's a diamond painting cross pendant acrylic hanging all home decor. That's what it comes as. Size 25 by 19.5 it says, and it's acrylic soft board, and it is acrylic. You can see where it's been lasered out. So it's not like card, it's a little bit more sturdy than card. We've still got the spring on it. You have your what's it called? Toolkit. And it's not even, I can't say it's even early because it's not. It's what, 12:30. So you've got your run-of-the-mill pink pen, which we get with all kits. We have our little, I won't take it out because I'll probably drop it in the fire. Our little green boat, a little bit of pink wax, and then the bead that will go to hang it in the little hole there. So that's what we've got. So we've got special diamonds with these, as they're called. So we'll have a look. Ooh, these look nice colours. So got some shiny yellow, very iridescent as well on them. Looking, got beautiful blue. Then we got the gems of the, like a brown special one. Then we've got like a peacock blue, rusty sort of orange. Ooh, they're nice. They're like cut diamonds, sort of like a flower shape cut in them. They're very shiny. Blue again in your pear shots, like bronze colour that is. Ooh, like a London topaz look blue, like pearly blue. And then fine, ooh, look, sea type blue that is, like, ooh, look. So that one I'm presuming is number 9. Oh no, number D. Is it D on there? Hang on, guys. Let's get it, bring it. Ah, right. So D. So your numbers are on your packet. So D's on there, and we only need the 1, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they give you plenty in there to cover the whole of that. So I'm going to be doing that. So I might have a go at that in a minute. We'll see how sticky it is. If I can pick it up. There's bits of cellophane there if you didn't know. And yeah, and if you see, if I tilt it, I don't know if you can see, the glue is actually just on the numbers. A little bit over in places, but the numbers should cover that over. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. But I thought my mum could hang that up in her room. So yeah, as I say, they did gift these to me to show you. And this is the other one that I chose. So that one was, what did I say? That one was $5.99 if you bought it. And then this one is $5.52. So I don't think they're bad prices. They took about just over 2 weeks to come, so quite quickly coming as well. So I was quite pleased with that. So let me show you. I'm so excited with these ones. Right, I'll put that kit there. So we've got the same kit apart from these. So I'll show you one of those. And you'll see why they're different now in a minute. So we've got one of those. And then the chain to link. You put that round, pop that in there. Make sure you put your hook on first. And you make your key ring. So that would go. Let me just show you. It's very simple. I won't do it now because once it's in, it's in. Yeah, and then that goes in there. And then you've got the thing. Because I will make a mess of it if I try and do it on camera. But straightforward. Okay. So that's the toolkit for it. And then look. Look at these. We have the gnomes. Because April is autism aware. And we had a gnome for autistic gnome I'm doing for that. And then I've been doing gnomes for cross stitching. I've done gnomes. I wanted a gnome painting, but I didn't get one. But I saw these, so I had to get them. So they're little key rings, look. Yeah, little key rings. Double-sided. Yeah. So we've got that one with a little heart. We got that one with a little parcel. That one with a heart. That one with a stocking. I'm not giving them. I think I'll keep them. I might give them to the girls. And that one. So again, it's just a matter of sticking. But the glue on the look of these ones is all over. Yeah. So I don't know how that will work, but we'll give it a go. So, and then just to prove the point, it is on the back as well. So I think we'll do one of those. They have got a bit of a, yeah, the glue's got a bit of a, I don't know why I'm showing you, hoping that you can see, a little bit of a gluey smell, but that's fine. And let's have a look again. And as you can see, they've got letters on there. And have they got numbers on here? Or are they all letters? No, they're all letters by the look. Oh no, we have numbers as well, which correspond with what's on the packet of these. So like we've got T and O there, so we know it's that one and that one. Yeah, so let me show you these. So let me show you from the back. So tiny, tiny, tiny little teardrop red, beautiful green, yellowy gold. Then we have some round silver, some round special reds, some light green, some emerald green that looks like, some red, slightly bigger. Then we have like the London, well, what would you call that? Topaz colour. Black. That's like a bronzy pink. Loads of silver. Some red. Are they slightly bigger? Yeah, slightly bigger than them ones, look. Some black. And then some more red. So, should we get one out and put a couple on there just for you to see? So what do we need? Right, I need a scissors just to cut them out, and then I'll show you. I'll need that. Right, so if we're going to do H, which is a hat, so all you do, you don't need any other bags, you just need these, okay? So just cut the corner, all right? That's all you need to do. I'm going to use that tray because it's out and it's convenient. All right, so put some of these in there. Don't have to put many. Okay, you get some of your wax and your pen. Get your pen, push it in to there, and then just push it on the table. Oh, sorry, and there you could see it. You've got wax in there. All right, so what we'll do, whoops, is I'll go in a bit closer so you can see. Sorry, the lighting isn't brilliant. So you literally, I'll peel this back and get my nails. Okay, I'm not going to peel it all the way back because I want to stick it back down. So you literally get your H's, so you get the blobby end, stick it on, and it picks the diamond up, and it will release it on there, because the glue on the gnome is stickier than what's in the pen, so it should hold it enough for you to just pull away. And you literally, so quick, so easy these little ones are, and so much fun. But if you want to do a little diamond painting, but you don't want to actually get one of your paintings out, get a set of the key rings in, or like that cross if you want some nice special diamonds. I love that sound. So can you see how quick this is to do? I can use a drill or something. There's somebody strimming. Don't know why they'd be strimming in this weather. It isn't. It is dry. It's quite mild actually, to be fair, outside. Right, we'll just finish this one off, and then I'll show you what you do with your bag, in case you've got H's on another one and you've got some on the other side and you don't feel like carrying on. Oops. See, they're just so easy to pick up, and you can just shake them around if you want them to turn up the right way. See how easy they are in there. One more. There you go. And that's your H's finished, and I'll just stand up to show you a bit more. So look at the, can you see the shine on them? Hang on, move that by. So they're very, very sparkly, very, very shiny. So I'm just going to move that and push it down there so it covers the rest. But doesn't that look fab? Then, oh, sorry, let's put that there. Then all you do, if you've got a funnel, great. If you haven't, don't worry about it. Just open your bag up like that. Can you see? I'm trying to look in the camera and open the bag. I don't know which hand's probably better to hold it in that one. Yeah? Can you see? And then you just get your tray, and where the Nairo end is, just pop it in, yeah? Then all you do is get yourself, this is on your sellotape I've got available at the moment. So literally, where are we? Yeah, bit of sellotape. See where the, and just put it across the opening where you've opened it. Sorry, I went out of shot then. And it's sealed back. Put it with there, and you're ready for the next time. See, I've just put it there. Not going to come out, and it's ready for you to use the next time. So you don't even need to kit it up or anything. It's all ready to go. So yes, I've got that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one to do on the thing. And then I've got the cross to do as well. Oh, excuse me. So I'm very pleased. Hang on, put it up there. So I'm very, very pleased with that. So, oh, I've got hiccups now. So let me know what you think. As I say, do check out that the canvases yourself. I always say that. But yeah, for these little bits and pieces, I think they're very, very nice. And they come on a keychain. It's all there with you. And for 5 key rings for, what's it, £5 something? Bargain. But I'll put the links down below. So if you go down below, you can have a look at the links to these and to the website, and you can make your own mind up. So with that said, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you ever so much for popping by and having a look. It's much appreciated. Oops. Haven't subscribed and you fancy staying around, it would be lovely to have you. There's a little button down below and also a notification bell that let you know when I go live, which on a Sunday, and when I upload videos, which is a couple of times a week. All my social media, my Etsy shop. I've got Etsy shop as well that sells project bags and things and cover minders and needle minders. It's down below. What else is down below? Yeah, social media, my Etsy, my Patreon. I do a Patreon as well if you want interested. Wish list, well, all sorts. Anyway, everything's down below that you need to know about me. So with that said, look after yourselves, take care, and most importantly, guys, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.